Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Friends, being a homeopath, a medical consultant, and a practitioner by profession since the past 10 years, I have been receiving a lots of queries regarding, what is coronavirus, what is the prevention that we can take. People are getting panicky, so I would like to tell you all, friends, that please don't panic. If your basic hygiene is maintained, if y'all are taking preventive measures, it's very easy to tackle this coronavirus. And I'll tell you, this coronavirus that has come from China. So there are many people who are asking me some queries like, can they travel to some places, or can they travel by train, via car, via bus, or any other means of transport or transport. So I would like to tell you, yes, friends, it is very very safe to travel, but then yes, there are some precautionary measures that you need to take. So first thing that you need to take is, wash your hands very frequently, friends. And for this, what you can do, the first step is the first preventive measure rather is wash your hands frequently, regularly, and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol based hand scrub. You can wash it with soap or water also. See, washing your hands with soap or water, or using any alcohol-based hand rub, it is going to kill your viruses that may be there in your hands. That's why I'm telling you, you should use soap or water, or maybe some alcohol-based, scrub. Second thing is, uh, you need to distance yourself from people who are coughing or sneezing. At least 1 meter, at least 3 feet of distance, friends. Why? The question arises, why? See, when someone is sneezing or coughing, small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth which may contain virus, and if you're too close, you can breathe those droplets, right? Including the COVID-19 virus that has come up. If the person is coughing, and if the person is suffering from that disease condition, so it is better to keep some distance from people who have symptoms like cold, cough, flu, or cold or headache or something like that. Third thing is that you need to avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Well, friends, hands may touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. And once it is contaminated, friends, so then hands can transfer this virus to your eyes, to your mouth, or to your nose. And from there, the virus can definitely enter your body and can make you sick, right? So you need to practice respiratory hygiene. Make sure that the people around you, they also follow this good respiratory hygiene, friends. This means like covering your mouth and nose with your elbow, or with your bent elbow, or tissue when you cough or sneeze, and you need to dispose of that tissue immediately. Don't reuse it. Because why, friends, because these droplets, they keep spreading the viruses, and by following the good respiratory hygiene, you can also protect the people around you from viruses such as cold, cough, flu, from this COVID. At least it's a preventive measure that you can follow. Then the next step is, if you have fever, cold, and difficulty in breathing, you need to seek medical care immediately. Stay home, friends, if you are feeling unwell, at least till the time you feel better. And if you have fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing, you can seek medical attention. You can call the doctor in advance. Follow the direction of your local health authority. Why? Because up to date, the situation in this area is, calling in advance will allow your health provider to direct you quickly, and you can get treatment immediately. This will also protect you, and it will help you prevent viruses and other infections. And you should keep yourself informed about the latest developments about this virus. You can follow this advice. You can keep asking me, or you can ask any medical professional, or you definitely need to keep a follow up with the doctor as well, friends. Now the protection measures, rather, you need to stay home. As I told you, if you are developing cold, cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, you need to seek medical advice as soon as possible, friends. And also, if you are traveling to any distant places, see to it that you visit your neighboring doctor and then you travel. And calling in advance is definitely help you uh, to get some advice from your doctor. Wash your hands, as I said, with soap and running water. Then wash your hands also after coughing or sneezing, before and after, before you prepare food, after you prepare food, before you eat your food, after toilet use, wash your hands. When your hands are dirty, keep washing your hands frequently. After handling animals or animal waste, keep your hands keep washing your hands, friends. Also, as I said, when you cough or sneeze, you need to cover your nose and your mouth with tissue and throw the tissue into the closed bin, friends, after your use. Clean your hands with alcohol based hand rub or water after coughing or sneezing, also, so that you can prevent it spreading to your other friends. Protect others from getting sick. As I said, avoid close contact friends when you are experiencing any kind of fever or cough. Avoid spitting in public, friends. This is very important, because when you spit in public places, the virus is going to spread immediately. And if you have fever, cold, and cough, difficulty in breathing, as I said, you need to take some medical advice. Also, share your previous travel history with your health care provider. It is very important, friends. Avoid smoking. Practice food safety, that you can use different chopping boards and knives for different types of cooked foods. Wash your hands between handling raw and cooked food. Practice food safety, and even in areas where experiencing outbreaks. Meat products have to be avoided. I think it's better you can avoid meat products, friends. You never know where the meat products are coming from. Shopping in wet markets is, you need to avoid it. Wash your hands with soap and water after touching animal products. Avoid touching eyes, nose, mouth. Avoid contact with sick animals, friends. Avoid spoiled meat. Avoid contact with the stray animals. Also, avoid waste and fluids in the market. Okay, friends. Stay healthy while traveling. Keep yourself hydrated, friends. Keep drinking warm water rather than drinking cold water, and rather than drinking water from the fridge. Avoid travel if you have fever and cough. If you have fever, you can definitely seek medical advice, and then you can travel. Okay, friends, so here I stop. I will be sharing some diet care tips in my next video. You can stay tuned and do share this video with your friends and relatives, so that they can protect themselves from any kind of virus or coronavirus. Thank you, friends. Have a good day.